get ready with me. So yes, I did already my hair. And now, I'm gonna do my daily look. So, welcome again to my channel. So yes, first, I put already the, cream, moisturizer. So, now I will just do my daily look. So, this is how I look when I don't have my eyebrow. So, let's put my eyebrow first. Wait. Like that. Okay. Yes. Charan! My new eyeshadow. Put in very light. I use this mascara. Next is eyeliner. And then today is the gamit tayo ng ganito para sa killing. I didn't use yesterday. This is argan oil for my hair. Charan! So that is my daily look. So easy. I know, I forgot pala my face powder. This one is really good. L'Oreal. And done. Let's go out and get ready what I'm gonna wear today. Since we're gonna go for a swim, so suot ko yung swimwear ko. That's like that. So they are talking our friend from Thailand. So she's also coming here in Vietnam. This one also is good, but I'm gonna wear this same. Let's